Hello guys, welcome to our series on Git. In this series, you will learn about Git and GitHub. You will learn why you would want to use Git, how you can use Git, and we'll also talk about GitHub, which is a hosting platform where you can collaborate with other developers on your Git repositories. You can collaborate with other developers on different projects. Basically, the aim of this series is to make you very proficient in using both Git and GitHub. So by the end of this series, you would have gained a whole new knowledge about Git and GitHub. I am very sure that by the end of this series, you will be looking at Git and GitHub a whole different way, because by then you would have learned a lot about Git and GitHub. So stay tuned guys. See you in the next video.